What's going on, everybody, and welcome. This is Oscar. Empire, are we alive? Today is one of those days where we need to summon all the power we can. And I know what you're thinking. It's been a tough 2022. There's crypto crash, the stock market crash. It's been down on all levels. But I'm talking from 5 cents, our average, remember? 4 cents, then 3 cents, and then 2 cents. And wow. A lot of people panicking. We start seeing at the charts. A lot of people selling. It's fine. They do whatever is best for them. Not a problem. Just remember, in my case, I'm holding years from now. One of the reasons I started with I'm talking is not because I wanted to make money in the short term. It's because I'm setting for success later on. Nobody knows the future. I don't know the future. But what I can know is my emotions. I can control my emotions, my behaviors, and say, okay, I'm giving some years down the road because I'm believing that with my phone, I'll be able to pay crypto payments in the years to come. And I'm talking with Flexa Network. What a company! If you're here for the project, you already know what Empire and what I'm talking and Flexa it's all about. I ask you everybody on Twitter who here is holding I'm talking, and well, you guys responded a lot with a lot of support, so thank you. And most of you guys are holding and are buying the dip, which is fantastic. So thank you guys, you're incredible. But guess what? Some of you are mad, even mad at me. I mean, of course, nothing is financial advice, which is fine. At the end of the day, some people have to release some anger, and it's fine, whatever. What I care is that you guys are aware of these amazing projects because there's three reasons why AMP token rises in price: staking, expectations of growth, and usage utility. It's on the white paper. So I'll tell you everything you need to know, Empire, all the news, and all where we're probably heading for this cryptocurrency. Sit down, relax, enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, guys. We're still here with I'm talking. We're not leaving. I know it's tough, but hey, we are crypto investors. We are used to volatility. We're used to these type of things. If we are expecting massive bull runs later on in the future, well, we have to be able to take these days as well. And I know it's not easy, but let's go ahead and get started, man. I'm talking right now, we're looking at 2 cents. The price, everybody, I'm going to click the all so you can see. I like how Coinbase displays this. The user interface is beautiful. 175%. It was back at 400, 500 back in the good old days of 5, 6, 7%. Now it's down. So the moral of the story is this price amazing? My answer to you right now is, of course it's amazing. I wouldn't even be going out with taking a little bit of I'm talking. I already got my positions. I don't really have too much money on the side to buy in. I already have my 100K. They're already making me money on the side. How about you? If you don't want to get I'm talking, fine. But since nobody knows the future, I mean, I don't know when the next pump will be, and I'll be sitting ready in stone. Definitely, this does not surprise me. The trading activity is 63% sell. The volume is less. The popularity is down. But hold time looks very good. And a couple of things that you have to know is the holders are still increasing, but not by many. We know if you were listening to Tyler Spalding on that Twitter call that there's more like about 3 million holders. So what's here on Etherscan is definitely not every single holder, but we can have a little bit of an idea at what their rate they're growing, and definitely it's not by much because people still, when we go to the cryptocurrency prices, they're not taking attention or taking a look at I'm talking. That is real life. It's been on the 70, 60 for a long time. It will take a while. What it is what happens, right now. This time I'm gonna go all the way up for you guys and refresh and see how coin market cap is looking like. 1.62, much better than yesterday, to tell you the truth. Bitcoin $36,000. So what does this mean? It means that the cryptocurrencies are bouncing. But am I just saying this? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. This is I'm talking, guys, and Bitcoin, bam, not bad. Bitcoin, kudos to Bitcoin. It's coming back. One of those reasons about not panic selling, you never know what's going to happen. We can only know, okay, how's the RSI? How's the stochastic RSI? How's the MACD? How's the Bollinger Bands? All the technicals that we always go through. And at this time, I'm actually going to go, here's Bitcoin and it's coming up. How about I'm talking on the 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour? Let's see, I'm talking is, well, not at the lowest of 2.5. It's at 2.6. Definitely not by much. But what I can tell you right now is Bitcoin is up, Crowcoin, that's another one, it's up, and Cardano, it seems to be up a little bit on the 1 hour. and I'm token, not by much. It's one that I can guarantee you not many people know about, not many people paying too much attention because they don't like it and maybe not important for them, which is okay. But this is how far it dropped. Take a look at this. From January the 20th, which it was when we were before this crash, it dropped thus far 34%, from 4 cents, low 4 cents, all the way to 2 cents, 30%. In my opinion, guys, we're going to be able to go all the way up in a short amount of time. This typically is not the average for token. I'm sure when the whales come back and when things are getting a little bit better, we're going to be able to come back. At this time, let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 year so I can show you. On the Fibonacci retracement levels, we are at around 80% retracement classic, super down at this price. We're looking at the prices back in May 2021 with the other crash. So kind of mimics that, right? Couple of things that happen is that once it comes all the way back from a pump, because the crash is over, you can kind of have an idea how far token can go. Once again, if you have some money on the side and you want to do some trading, token could be a good opportunity for you. Just saying, right? Always buy what you can afford losing. Always buy what you can afford with your emotions, and don't blame it on anyone else. When it comes to Bitcoin right now, it's doing okay. It's fantastic, $36,000. Really good job. Crowcoin, these are other different cryptocurrencies that a lot of people are paying much attention, and you are seeing how they are buying. The volume is here is positive, 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 and in token still is negative. And I like that, everybody, because that just means, okay, people don't really want to know much about token for the most part. They're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, BNB, and I think this could be a good opportunity. If you're listening to me right now, this could be a good opportunity if you're starting to like token. If you just found about token, if you're like, Oscar, why should I buy token? Is it a good crypto? In my opinion, I'm always looking at the foundations, at the projects, at things that are going to give me long-term success. When you actually participate in the project, which is, by the way, is staking on Flexa capacity. And I mean, I think this is an amazing thing because the all-time high was 12 cents. From here, it's easy like 5x, 4x. I mean, what are we thinking about, right? And that is just minimum growth for token. Later on, we can easily pass 15 cents or so as years go by, not in a couple of months. I also have noticed that on Twitter and on stocks, people are selling off badly because they forecast even higher drops. So that's another thing that you have to be looking at. Or with token, we may continue seeing drops because we're still down. And I'm talking, I mean, Bitcoin, this could be just a trap, and then the continuation of the drop can continue. So a lot of things going on right now with the market. It's iffy. But one thing I can tell you, we're still holding. The Empire is still holding. If you always want to come, you're always welcome. We're pretty happy with this crypto. We're going to be here for a while. I'm pretty happy what Flex Network did when token last year. So I'm excited to see what they have in bank for this one, 2022. Thank you so much for watching, guys. token here. We're hurt, but we're still holding and buying the dip, the ones that want to do it. I'll catch you later, guys. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Catch you later, guys. Peace.